Everyone's racing to deploy AI agents, but no one's talking about the security risks they create. I've been testing AI tools for a while now, and this security gap is the biggest risk nobody's talking about. According to IBM's 2025 data breach report, 97% of companies using AI have zero security controls in place, and 13% already got breached through their AI agents. Today, I'm talking about Airia, a platform that just raised $100 million to solve this exact problem. I'm going to show you the security crisis, build a secure AI agent live, and tell you about the security features. So this is Airia, and this is what I'm testing today. They have this intro to Agent Builder to help you get started. Here we have some quick actions, like create an agent, import agent, deploy model, connect data, view documentation, and some more tutorials to help you out. Over here to the left, we got your projects, evaluations, components, models, prompts, pretty much everything you need to help make this process smooth. They even have this community tab over here. Let's check it out real quick. You can see projects that other people have built, and you can import them directly into your own project and customize it as you please. What makes this different is that it's a no-code agent builder that connects to all your tools, and the key part is that the enterprise security is built in from day one. So here's what's happening now. Companies are deploying AI everywhere. Marketing teams are using ChatGPT, sales teams are building custom agents, and legal departments are using Claude. But here's the hidden risk that no one's paying attention to. These agents have access to sensitive data like customer emails, financial records, and internal documents. According to IBM's 2025 report, 90% of companies lack proper AI access controls. 13% have already been breached through AI this year, and the average cost of each breach is over $650,000. And here's something more alarming. 20% of breaches now come from shadow AI, which are tools that your IT department doesn't even know exist. Let me give you a real example of how this happens. Imagine a marketing team member is using ChatGPT to draft an email, and they accidentally paste in customer credit card information. That's a data breach right there, and it's happening every single day at companies around the world. Here's the core issue. Most companies treat AI like any other software, but AI agents are fundamentally different. They make autonomous decisions, they interact with external APIs, and traditional security measures just don't work for them. Traditional security was built for static software like firewalls, VPNs, and endpoint protection. But AI agents bypass all of that, so you need something completely different. This is where Airia comes in. Airia is an enterprise AI orchestration platform with built-in security. And the easiest way to think about it is like a firewall, but specifically designed for AI agents. Here's what makes it different from other AI tools. First, it's model agnostic, which means it works with OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, or any other large language model you want to use. Second, it has a no-code agent builder, so anyone on your team can create agents in minutes without writing a single line of code. Third, it provides a unified security layer across all your agents, no matter which department deployed them or which model they are using. And fourth, it's enterprise-grade compliant, meaning it's ready for SOC 2, GDPR, and HIPAA requirements. As I mentioned earlier, they just raised $100 million and have over 300 enterprise customers already using the platform. It's not just another AI tool, it's the control layer that lets you scale AI across your organization without creating chaos. Let me show you exactly how it works. Before I build anything, I need to turn on a feature called Build with AI. I'll go to the Build with AI tab and toggle this button right here. I'm going to build an agent that handles customer data requests securely. Now I want to give the AI agent builder as much information as possible from the start so it can create the best agent for what I need. So I'll use this prompt. Build a customer service agent that handles customer data requests securely. The agent should be able to read incoming emails from Gmail, retrieve customer account information based on the request, and require human approval before sending any sensitive data externally. All actions should be logged for compliance, and data loss prevention policies should automatically block any attempt to share credit card numbers, social security card numbers, or any other sensitive information. The agent should send notifications via Slack when a request is approved or denied. And just like that, Airia builds the entire workflow for me automatically. On the left side of the screen, you can see the agent workflow it created. On the right side, I'll walk you through what each part does. This is the input node where the customer request comes in. This AI model node processes the request. And just as a side note, I can switch between any LLM without rebuilding the entire agent. I could use OpenAI, Anthropic, Google Gemini, whatever I want. Then we have this Python code that handles the logic behind the scenes. Now this agent will be connected to Gmail and Slack so it can read incoming emails and send notifications automatically. This is the approval request node, which is the human in the loop feature. Before any sensitive data gets sent anywhere, a human has to approve it first. If the request is approved, it goes down this path. If it's denied, it goes down this path instead. Finally, everything gets logged to memory for compliance and audit purposes. This entire workflow was built in minutes with just a prompt, no coding required. And here's the thing, you don't need to be a developer or security expert to build this. Anyone on your team can do it. So here's how this would work. A customer sends an email requesting their account information. The agent reads the email from Gmail, processes the request, and identifies that it contains sensitive data. Before sending anything back to the customer, the approval workflow kicks in. A notification goes to the security team or manager, and they review the request and either approve it or deny it. If it's approved, the agent sends the information and logs the Slack notification. If it's denied, it logs that as well. And behind the scenes, data loss prevention policies are running constantly. If the agent ever tries to share a credit card number, social security number, or any other sensitive information without approval, it gets blocked automatically. Every single action is logged, including who accessed what, when they accessed it, and what the agent did with that information. This is critical for compliance with regulations like GDPR, HIPAA, and SOC 2. Airia is not just about building agents fast, it's about building them securely so you can deploy them at scale. You get the speed of no-code AI without the security nightmare. So who is this actually for? If you're part of an enterprise IT or security team that's responsible for securing AI adoption across departments, this platform is built specifically for you. If you're a chief information officer or chief technology officer and you want to enable AI across your organizations without creating massive security risk, this gives you the control layer you need. Or if you're an AI engineer or machine learning engineer building custom agents that need enterprise-level controls, this platform will save you months of security work. And if you're a compliance officer who needs audit trails and data loss prevention for regulated industries, this checks all the boxes too. But here's the thing, you don't need to be a developer or a security expert to use this platform. Regular people on your team can build agents too. That's the whole point of the no-code builder. Now, if you're a solo creator or a small team just experimenting with AI for personal projects, this is probably overkill. This platform is built for organizations that are scaling AI across multiple teams and departments. So what does it cost? Airia starts at $25 per month, and from there, they use enterprise pricing with custom quotes based on your organization's specific needs. They offer free demos, and implementation support is included. If you're serious about scaling AI securely, this is worth the conversation. There's a link in the description to try it out. AI adoption is inevitable at this point. Security cannot be an afterthought anymore. We're at the very beginning of the AI agent era, and the companies that get orchestration right now are going to dominate the industries in the next few years. The ones that don't end up will be part of that 13% breach statistic. If you want more AI breakdowns like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button.